Good day, my name is Valerie Matlasi. In today's video, I'm going to create a coloring cover for the book that we actually created on the previous video. So I'm going to show you on how to create at least one. I'm not going to do the two of them on this because I don't want the video to take too long. So I'm quickly gonna show you on how to create this one. Let's get the template for the book. This was actually created on I got this from Amazon KDP calculator. You can just check my previous videos. There's a video where I'm actually showing how to get the template, the book cover template. Okay, and in this one okay, sorry, and they just go to elements. Let's see. Okay, let's just take this one and then we're gonna put it here, and then I'm going to look for the water splash, and then here's the water splash. Let's just put it here, and then I'm gonna duplicate. Before I duplicate, let's just decrease the transparency, and then we duplicate it. And then after duplicating, and then I flip it like this is okay, and then I copy the name, I paste the name of the, sorry, let me just come here and then copy so that it can be easier. Copy the name and then I put it here. Let me just go back to the previous and copy it again, then I put it here as well, and then add it here. Let me just put it here in the middle like this. I think it looks perfect. Okay, let's just get some elements. Let's put this element here. Let's get this as well, and then let's put it here. Let's take this one, let's put it here. Let's take this and then let's put it here. We're just trying to make sure that our book will be a beautiful, just want to create a beautiful book. Okay, and then let's just take this and then let's put it here. Let's take this and resize this, put it here, and then we need more creatures here. Okay, let's just go back to elements. It's graphics and see all. Let's take this one. Let's put it here. Let's see. Let's put it here. Let's just get a square. Let's get the square. Let's put it here. Then let's just go to the uploads, and then we need the images. Okay, these are the images that I actually need. I'm gonna put them here. Let's put them here. I'm gonna put only 3, and then let's just grab some fish. Let's just go and check those nice fish. Here are they, and we're gonna put them here. Let's just paste the name here. Then let's decrease the size of the name, sorry, and then we duplicate this one as well, and then we come here, let's put in here, and then we're gonna need this. Let's just copy, I'm gonna put it here. Let's just paste it. You can just put it here. It's okay, as long as you're not putting it here on the label. This is where the label will stay. Then we are not allowed to put anything on there. I need this square again. We're gonna put it here. Let's try to make it fit nicely here. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. If you want to leave it like that, you can just leave it like that. It's definitely up to you. It's not nice like that. Can let's just leave a purple color. And then the next step is to make sure that we remove this delete, and it's like this. You see, this is how easy it is to create a book cover using Canva. We didn't go anywhere to ask for any elements. Everything was from Canva. Some of the elements we paid elements, so if you are using a paid version, you can use any image that you love, and then if you're not on a pro version, you can only use elements with no crown, so it's okay. You can still have a beautiful cover using the free images. So this is how the book the cover has turned out, and it's beautiful. I think this one will be perfect for the cover on my on Amazon KDP or any other platform that I will be listing this product. Okay, I think we came to the end of our video, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And then do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video for the algorithm. So thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.